everyone, happy Tuesday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Google slide. So in Canvas, I have given you some directions on how to log into Rapid Identity. So the first thing you do is log into Rapid Identity, and it's going to show you this with all of your apps. The first thing that you're going to do is click on Google Drive. When I click on Google Drive, this pops up. To create a new Google slide, I click this plus sign button where it says New. I scroll down to Google Slides and I click that. So an untitled presentation pops up. This is exactly where you want to be. I want to give this presentation a name. All about Mrs. Thompson. When you first create a Google slide, it's just going to start out with the basic template. So I always like to go over here to the theme section and pick a theme that has a little bit of color or kind of, stands out to me. I think I'm going to click this one. All right, so that pulls up my theme that I'm going to go with. So I click to add title. So that's going to be all about Mrs. Thompson. And my subtitle, I'm just going to put something like, this is a slideshow all about me. And that's going to be my title slide. So I'm going to need to add some more slides to this presentation. So what I do is I go over to the left and I click this plus arrow, and it even says new slide. So I'm going to click that plus arrow and a new slide is going to pop up. See, with the theme that I chose, this is how the other slides look. What you're going to do is you're going to pick 5 of the About Me topics and add them in your presentation. So you can choose 5 or you can choose more than 5, but we need to have at least 5 things about you. You can put them in any order you want to. I think I'm going to start out with my favorite, if I could type, my favorite foods. My favorite food is sushi. I love sushi. Now, I don't like how small that is. The text, it's too small. So what I do is I highlight it. Now I'm going to go over and I'm going to click where it has the font size. And I'm just going to press that plus button. And it's going to make it a little bit bigger. Now, to kind of make this a little bit fun and stand out, I want to add a photo. But I don't have a photo of just sushi on my computer, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here where it says Insert. And I'm going to click Insert Image. And instead of uploading from my computer, I'm going to search the web. So I'm searching the web for sushi. And it is going to pop up all these pictures of sushi. Oh my goodness, I'm going to get so hungry looking at these. All right, so I'm going to click, I'm going to go with this one because it has a lot. So I'm going to click that, and then down at the bottom it says Insert, and I'm going to click Insert. Now it's going to come up kind of large. Do you see how it covers my entire slide? I'm going to want to resize that. So what I do is I bring my mouse over to one of the corners. I'm going to wait for that little side arrow to pop up, and then I'm going to hold down and drag it. And that makes my sushi picture a size that I can put on my slide. So I not only like sushi, but I also really like pizza. I also love to eat pizza. So again, I want to put a picture of some pizza. So I'm going to go over to Insert Image. Oops. Insert Image. Search the web. Pizza. Oh yeah. I love everything on my pizza. So let's see. Ooh, I like this one with the olives and the peppers. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And remember, I have to click Insert. All right, so again, I'm going to resize that photo, drag my my mouse to the corner, click, and drag. So there, I have a picture of sushi and I have a picture of pizza. All right, I'm ready to create my next slide. So I need to go up here and click the plus button. And here, let's say I'm going to do my pets. I love my pets. I have 3 cats. Molly. Actually, I think I'm going to list them like this. Molly, Tom, and Callie. I also have 1 dog named Roxy. Again, I don't like how that text is so small, so I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And you know what? I don't know if I like that color either. I'm just going to see if there's a color I can change. More. Here's the colors. Okay, so that's good to know. Right by the text, where it has that plus sign, you're going to click on those 3 dots. And then I'm going to click on this paintbrush. No, I'm sorry. The paintbrush is going to highlight it. I'm going to click on this text color. And again, my favorite color is purple, so I'm going to click purple. Oh, whoops. You have to make sure it's highlighted. Click purple. Awesome. Now, I actually have a photo of my cats and my dog on my computer. So maybe you have a picture of something that you want to insert into the slide. So it's going to be a little bit different. You're still going to go to insert an image, but instead of clicking search the web, I'm going to click upload from computer. And it's going to pop up my computer. So here's my desktop, and I'm going to go up to my 3 cats. And I'm going to click open. And it has a picture of my 3 cats that I took. Again, this picture is too big for the slide, so I need to resize that. So there's Callie, Molly, and Tom. Now I also want to put a picture of Roxy on there, so I'm going to go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, and I think I titled it Roxy Dog. There we go. Isn't that such a cute picture? So I got to resize that a little and add that to my slideshow. Sorry, my phone is going off. Ooh. All right. So there we have it. I have my pets, my 3 cats and my dog. Now, if I didn't have a picture of my pets or my cat or my dog, I could still go to Insert Image and click Search the Web and just type cat. And a bunch of pictures of cats are going to come up. So you could choose one that looks like your cat, or say you have a dog, choose one that looks like your dog. All right, I think that's enough of showing you how to do this. So let's just pretend that I'm done. Oh wait, before I'm done, I did want to show you that maybe I really like this pet slide and I want it to go first. So all I have to do is I have to click this slide, hold it down, and drag it to the top. So now my pets will come first and then my food. Now let's say that we're finished. We're going to click on the Share tab.